Alright guys, so we're back with another video, and today I'm just going to be riding my motorcycle, but I'm sorry I haven't been recording. A lot of stuff been going on. My mom's back in Florida for a little bit. I got $500, bought a PlayStation for $258, and now I got $200 left. It's not even cold out here, surprisingly. And I'm honestly super sorry. But I'm on my motorcycle right now, and basically I'm just going to be doing a video of me riding it. I mean, yeah. And leave some comments below. Go to my Instagram and stuff, Snapchat. I'll put that in the description, maybe, if I don't forget. So y'all can, go there, comment, tell me if you. I may do a Q&A. I'm going to. Yeah, I'm going to do a Q&A. I need some comments from y'all and stuff. And, well, since I don't really get comments and nothing like that, or subscribers, the people that actually stay watching my channel long, but to y'all out there who watch my channel long and watches every video, shout out to y'all. Even if you don't watch a lot of videos, you just watch them, shout out to y'all. And, yeah, so we're just going to get on with this day, and, yeah. Oh, and, by the way, if you haven't watched Dylan's channel, Dylan, the one kid in my videos. If you want to really if you just join this channel and you just subscribe, just go down to the video where it's called The Truth. Oh my OMG, and you'll see who he is and stuff. We're really close friends, basically like brothers to me and him. He made a new channel. It's not called what it used to be called, Kerry Voiles Michaels. It's not called that anymore. It's called the JD Blood Bait. The JD Blood Bait. The JD Blood Bait. That's what it's called. But if you want to go to his channel, go check it out. It'll be, just search it up. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get on with today's video. And I'm not recording on my camera because it's not here. It's at my grandma's. Yeah. Anyways, guys, so yeah, you ready to get on with this video? Hold up. My motorcycle, not the best. I had it for a long time. It's not an actual motorcycle, but it's a motorcycle. It runs, it goes fast, stuff like that. It goes up to 30. And I'm gonna be recording a video on that, Me and my friend got and stuff. But anyway, let me just find the proper setup for this, and I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Hoping y'all can see good. Alright. It's gonna be like this. Take my phone down so it don't fall. And hold up, I gotta tell my friends. Yo, Jesse, you wanna take turns? Alright, I'm going around. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start this thing up, guys. Yeah! Yeah! Hold up. Okay, grab it. Okay. Make sure my phone's good in there. Key on, yep. starting it?
I put it that way.
What do you mean? Hold up, guys. Fun. That was fun. Helpful. Hold it, guys, a little bit. There he goes. Anyways, this won't be that long of a video because I do not got my camera. This phone, well, I forgot it's not my other phone. Anyways, this phone's not the best on, you know, storage and all. Well, actually it is, never mind. I said I don't want to waste my storage. But he's gone. Whoa. Comment if any of y'all can do that. Like, you can literally hear the bike right now. Anyways, I'm gonna stop that just in case y'all got some headphones in or earbuds and it hurts, or AirPods or whatever. Coming back around. See, that's his house, by the way, right over there, right there. See, y'all can see him pass right there. There he is. Alright, I'm going now. Cut it off. Huh? I was telling you to let it idle. Oh. Alright. Was this working for you? That wasn't working when I got
Yeah,
on.
it was.
It was. Alright.
What are you doing?
Making video.
Oh.
Straighten up. Yeah, I can see good. Y'all can even see this.
I'll get it.
Hold up. Barely though. Hold up. Let's see if I can go 30. That's 25. That's 30. So y'all know because it barely sees it. It can go a little faster than 30. Depends on the times. Go. Wait till this bus passes and I'll let you go. Wow, it's so fun, guys. Here. Hold up, y'all. Anyways, I'm gonna end this, like, not now, but like now. Actually, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I will make another video, like, literally probably today soon. Anyways, I hope y'all guys having a good time. You know what it is. Keep the vibes going. JD gang, you know, we'll make that merch come out soon. Alright, anyways, here we go. JD gang, y'all know what it is. Keep the vibes going. I'll see y'all guys later. Peace out.